The Western Chalukyas or the Kalyani Chalukyas, the descendants of the Badami Chalukyas, they emerged in the late 10th century and they ruled from Kalyani. They are the descendants of Badami Chalukyas. సో మధ్యలో రాష్ట్రకూటాస్ వల్ల వాళ్ళు మొత్తం అంతరించిపోయారు. మళ్ళీ వాళ్ళలో నుంచి ఒక పర్టికులర్ పీపుల్, ఆ చాళుక్యాస్లో నుంచి పీపుల్ మళ్ళీ దే ఎమర్జ్డ్ by killing the last ruler of the Rashtrakutas, that is Karka. So he was Tailapa or Talapa. Okay, then they emerged in the late 10th century and they ruled from Kalyani. The Western Chalukya Empire ruled most of the Western Deccan, South India between the 10th and 12th centuries. Even they ruled for another 200 years and indaki chadukunam. So from 10th to 12th centuries, this Kannadiga dynasty is sometimes called the Kalyani Chalukyas after its regal capital at Kalyani, today's Basava Kalyanam, in the modern Bidar district of Karnataka state. The Basava Kalyanam is there in Bidar, modern Bidar district of Karnataka state. So that was called their capital, that is Kalyani. The main sources of Kalyani Chalukyas, sources ekkadi nunchi vacharante, the sources is Ranna's Gada Yuddha Kavya. లాస్ట్ టైం చదువుకున్నాం కదా, రాష్ట్రకూటాస్ లో ఒక పోయట్, త్రిమూర్తుల్లో ఒక పోయట్ ఉన్నాడు, త్రీ జ్యువెల్స్ ఆఫ్ కన్నడ లిటరేచర్లో. ఇట్ వాస్ పంప, శ్రీ పొన్న అండ్ రన్న అని. సో రన్న రాసిన గదాయుధ్య కావ్య, గదతో చేసే యుద్ధమేమో, గదాయుధ్య కావ్య అనే బుక్లో Kalyani Chalukyas have been mentioned. In 1109 CE, Vikramaditya IV issued Kautam inscription. దాంట్లో కూడా they are mentioned. Kautam inscription of Vengi Chalukyas Vikramaditya IV. Then in 973 AD, Tailapa II, by defeating the last ruler of Rashtrakutas, Karka, he established the Kalyani Chalukyan dynasty. So their capital is Manyaketa. Later they shifted their capital to Kalyani. According to noted historian B.N. Shastri, they ruled for some time, and they ruled the dynasty from Kolanupaka. Then according to the noted historian B.N. Shastri, for some time they ruled from Kolanupaka in తెలంగాణలోని కొలనుపాక అనే ప్లేస్ నుంచి కూడా for some time they had ruled అంటాం. ఓకే, కొలనుపాక అండ్ కళ్యాణి, బికాస్ బీదర్ is nearer to తెలంగాణ, బార్డర్లో ఉంది of ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్. దెన్ కళ్యాణి చాళుక్యాస్ ruled Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana and the Rayalaseema areas. Then the first king was Tailapa. So one more thing was, the Western Chalukyas, they followed the traditions of Rashtrakutas and also the Badami Chalukyas. Okay, they ruled the Karnataka region and the surrounding areas. Tailapa I was from 973 to 1797, just for 4 years. He assumed he was the feudatory of the Rashtrakutas and he defeated Krishna III. Then he is credited with the victories over Chedi, Orissa, Nepal and Kuntala. Okay, so Tailapa II, he is credited with the victories over Chedi, Orissa, Nepal and Kuntala. Then Somasevara I. Okay, the next king ఏమో. Okay. Then from Shailaja ma'am's notes, Tailapa II గురించి ఏం చదువుతున్నాం. Tailapa II shifted the capital from Manyaketa to Kalyani. He married the Rashtrakuta princess Jekkavva అనే ప్రిన్సెస్ని మ్యారీ చేసుకున్నాడు. Then Betaraju I of Kakatiyas, who was ruling from Hanumakonda. They served as feudatory or Vishayapati to Tailapa II. Betaraju I of Kakatiyas, he served as who were ruling in Hanumakonda. They served as feudatories or Vishayapatis to the Tailapa II. Then Prabandha Chintamani explains the battle between Tailapa II and Vakpati Raju Munja, who is the ruler of Paramara king. Paramara king ki Prabandha Chintamaniలో the battle between the Tailapa II and Vakpati Raju, who is a Paramara king, is mentioned. Then he is succeeded by Satyashraya. Then the some of the titles of Tailapa II were Trailokya Malla, Nurmadi Tailapa, Trailokya Malla, Nurmadi Tailapa, Satyashraya Kulatilaka, Satyashraya Kulatilaka, Trailokya Malla, Nurmadi Tailapa, Chalukya Rama, Ahava Malla, and Ranaranga Bhima, Satyashraya Kulatilaka, Chalukya Rama. So all these were his titles. Then his son was next king was Satyashraya. Satyashraya ruled from 997 to 1008 AD. He is referred to as Sattiga or Iriva Bedanga. అతని యాక్చువల్ నేమ్ ఏంటి, హీ యాక్చువల్ నేమ్ తెలీదు. Satyashraya is referred to as Sattiga or Iriva Bedanga, and he assumed the titles of Akala Varsha, Akalanka Charita, Akala Varsha, Akalanka చరిత్ర అంటే కళంకం లేని చరిత్ర అని అర్థం. సాహస భీమ, అకాల వర్ష, అకళంక చరిత్ర. Then Satyashraya's titles avi. Then Satyashraya, he patronized the great Kannada poet Ranna. The great Kannada poet Ranna was patronized by Satyashraya. Then one among the three gems of the Ratnatrayam of Kannada, classical Kannada language literature. The three gems are the Ratnatraya of classical Kannada literature. So he patronized great poet Ranna, who compared his patron Satyashraya favorably to the Pandava prince Bhima. So అందుకే సాహస భీమా అని పెట్టాడు. Ranna compared his patron Satyashraya to the Pandava prince Bhima of the epic Mahabharata for his strength and valor in his epic poem Sahasa Bhima Vijaya. So Ranna రాసిన epic poem ఏది? Epic poem is Sahasa Bhima Vijaya. Then during Satyashraya's period, Ranna authored Gadayuda ఒక్క నిమిషం కావ్య, గదాయుద్ధ్య కావ్య, గదాయుధ అని రాస్తున్నారు ఇక్కడ, గదాయుద్ధ్య అని అక్కడ రాశారు. సో డ్యూరింగ్ Satyashraya's period, Ranna has authored Gadayuddha Kavya and Ajita Purana and Gadayuddha Kavya. సో భీముడు గురించి కాబట్టి Gadayuddha Purana Kavya, Gadayuddha Kavya. Then after Satyashraya, then it was Vikramaditya IV. So he is the brother of Satyashraya ఒక brother వచ్చి Vikramaditya IV. His title is Tribhuvana Malla. ఇంకా ఇక్కడ ఎవరికి ఉన్నింది, అహవ మల్లా వచ్చి వాళ్ళ నాన్న Tailapa II యొక్క టైటిల్. అహవ మల్లా వాస్ వాళ్ళ నాన్న Tailapa title. Vikramaditya IV's title was Tribhuvana Malla. During his period, Vikramaditya's sister Akkadevi is worshipped. During his period, Vikramaditya IV's sister Akkadevi అనే ఉంది కదా, Akkadevi, she is worshipped as one of the incarnation of Lord Goddess Lakshmi. Vikramaditya fourth sister was Akkadevi, and Akkadevi is worshipped as incarnation of goddess Lakshmi. He issued the Kottam inscription. He issued the Kottam inscription. Then he is succeeded by Ayyanna. Ayyanna. He is succeeded by Ayyanna, or Ayyanna. Ayyanna. Then అయ్యన్న మధ్యలో కొన్ని ఇయర్స్ రూల్ చేసి వెళ్ళిపోయారు. ఆ తర్వాత అయ్యన్నాస్ బ్రదర్ జయసింహ టూ కేమ్ ఆన్ టు ది పవర్. దెన్ హీ ఈజ్ జయసింహ టూ ఈజ్ ది బ్రదర్ ఆఫ్ అయ్యన్న. దెన్ హీ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో known as Jagadeka Malla and Mallika Moda. He is also known as Jagadeka Malla too and Mallika Moda. Ahanamalla, next Tribhuvana Malla and Jagadeka Malla. Jayasimha too is called as Jagadeka Malla. Then during his reign, Eastern Chalukya rulers, they engaged in war of accession, that is in between the Raja Narendra and Vimaladitya. Then in which Jayasimha too, he supported Vimaladitya. Then he defeated Rajendra Chola in Musky battle. సో రాజేంద్ర చోళ వచ్చి రాజరాజ నరేంద్ర యొక్క మామ. సో మేబీ దానివల్ల ఫైట్ వచ్చిందేమో. ఈ జయసింహ టూ వచ్చి విమలాదిత్యాన్ని సపోర్ట్ చేశాడు. దెన్ జయసింహ టూ కాబట్టి హీ హ్యాడ్ టు ఫైట్ విత్ రాజరాజ నరేంద్రస్ మామ రాజేంద్ర చోళ ఇన్ ద మస్కీ బ్యాటిల్. మస్కీ బ్యాటిల్లో హీ డిఫీటెడ్ రాజేంద్ర చోళ. He defeated him. Then Jayasimha two's court poet was Chandrarajan, who authored Madana Tilaka. వాళ్ళ కోర్ట్ ఆథర్ ఎవరు? జయసింహ టూ కోర్ట్ ఆథర్ వచ్చి చంద్రరాజన్. అండ్ హీ హ్యాడ్ authored Madana Tilaka. Chandraraja Madana Tilaka. Chandrarajan, he authored Madana Tilaka in Jayasimha two's court. Then Someshwara 1 and Someshwara 1's titles were Ahamalla. అందరికి మల్లా అనే ఉంది చూడు పేరు. Ahamalla, Trailokya Malla again. He was constantly engaged in battle. Then Pundara battle. Someshwara 1 was constantly engaged in battle. Pundara battle, he was defeated in the hands of Rajendra Chola again. అంతకుముందు వాళ్ళ నాన్న రాజేంద్ర చోళని డిఫీట్ చేశారు. దెన్ he was Jayasimha 2 defeated Rajendra Chola. Then again Rajendra Chola, he defeated Someshwara 1 in Pundara battle. Then Someshwara 1, he took the titles of Ahavamalla and Trailokya Malla. Then he had constantly engaged in battle. Someshwara Pundara battle Rajendra Chola చేతిలో ఓడిపోయాడు. అండ్ కొప్పం battle he defeated again Rajendra Chola. So Someshwara 1 of Kalyani Chalukyas and the Cholas of Rajendra Chola, వీళ్ళందరి మధ్య 2 battles జరిగింది. దట్ ఈస్ పుండరా battle and the కొప్పం battle. He defeated Rajendra Chola. Then Someshwara 1, he died in 1068 while performing a Pram Yoga Vrata in Tungabhadra river. He was following ఏదో వ్రతం చేస్తున్నాడంట. దట్ ఈస్ Pram Yoga Vrata in the Tungabhadra river. He got submerged into the river and he died. Then Someshwara 1 was the person who had built the city of Kalyani Chalukyas antam kada. That is Vasva Kalyanam. That city was built by Someshwara 1 and Bilhana's Vikramanka Deva Charita. Bilhana's Vikramanka Deva Charita. It deals with Someshwara 1. Then after Someshwara 1, Bilhana's Vikramanka Deva Charita, Someshwara 2 వచ్చాడు after Someshwara 1. His title is Bhuvaneika Malla. వాళ్ళ నాన్న వచ్చి త్రైలోక్య మల్ల, భువనైక మల్ల. His reign was full of civil wars and conflicts against Someshwara 2. Then came Vikramaditya 6. His reign is marked with abolishment of the Shaka era and the start of Chalukya Vikrama era in 1076. So he is one of the greatest ruler of Kalyani Chalukyas. He is the greatest ruler of Kalyani Chalukyas ever. It was Vikramaditya 6. He is the greatest ruler of Kalyani Chalukyas. Vikramaditya VI was the greatest ruler of Kalyani Chalukyas because they started the abolishment of Shaka era, abolition of Shaka era, and start of Chalukyas and Vikrama. Chalukyas అన్న వీళ్ళే కళ్యాణి చాళుక్యాస్, విక్రమ అంటే విక్రమాదిత్య 6. So start of Chalukya Vikrama era in 1076. So he assumed the titles as Permadi Deva Tribhuvana Malla. Tribhuvana Malla means Lord of the Malla అంటే Lord అంట. ఓకే, అహన మల్ల. సో మల్ల అంటే Lord అని అర్థం. Okay, so that's why he took the titles Permida Deva, Permadi Deva and Tribhuvana Malla, that is Lord of the three worlds. His court poets are Vikramaditya III was the greatest ruler. His court poets were Bilhanna, who wrote Vikramanka Deva Charita, and Vikramanka Deva Charita, it specifies about Someshwara 1. But Bilhana was present in Vikramaditya 6 court. Then Bilhana wrote Vikramanka Deva Charitra and Chaura Panchasika. Chaura Panchasika. Chaura ante 4 ante 45 asikasa. 45 Panchasika. Chaura Panchasika. Then Bilhana was one poet. The other poet was Vigneshwara, the noted jurist. He was the noted jurist in the court of Vikramaditya. He wrote Mitakshara. Mitakshara was a commentary on Yagyavalkya Smriti. అంతకుముందు చూసాము. దెన్ ఈస్టర్న్ చాళుక్యాస్ వాళ్ళ అడ్మినిస్ట్రేషన్లో జ్యుడిషియల్ సిస్టంలో వెంగి చాళుక్యాస్ యాజ్ఞవల్క్య స్మృతి యూజ్ చేసి జ్యుడిషియల్ అడ్మినిస్ట్రేషన్ చేస్తారని. సో the Vigneshwara, okay, Vigneshwara, who is a noted jurist in the court of Vikramaditya VI, he wrote Mitakshara, which is a commentary on Yajnavalkya Smriti, only Hindu family law, on Hindu family law. Yajnavalkya Smriti on Hindu family law. It is a commentary, Mitakshara. Then Telugu poet Ketana, Telugu poet Ketana authored Vigneshwariyam, which is a commentary on Mitakshara again. So Vigneshwara rasina Mitaksharam మీద again Telugu poet Ketana, he wrote Vigneshwariyam అనేది book which is a commentary on Mitakshara. Then these three are the poets. And then Vikramaditya VI, he built Mallikarjuna temple, the Mahadeva temple. Mallikarjuna anna Shivude. He built the Mallikarjuna temple, Mahadeva temple, the Kaitabeshwara temple and Kalleshwara temple. Mallikarjuna ante Shivude, Mahadeva anna Shivude. Mallikarjuna temple, Mahadeva temple, Kaitabeshwara temple, Kalleshwara temple. Then his feudatories in Telangana. Vikramaditya VI feudatories in Telangana వచ్చేసి Korivisima, Mudigonda Chalukyas in Korivisima. Mudigonda Chalukyas in Korivisima. Then Kakatiyas in Hanumakonda. Then Dommi kings in Sabbi Mandala and Kanduri Cholas. There are many Cholas. Kanduri Cholas in Panugallu and Kollunupaka. Mudigonda Cholas in Korivisima. Kakatiyas in Hanumakonda. Dommi Rajulu in Sabbi Mandala. Then Kanduri Cholas in Panugallu and Kollunupaka. Then after Vikramaditya VI, it is Someshwara III. He is a noted historian. So he is a noted historian, scholar and poet. So he was a very good scholar, poet, Someshwara III. He was a historian. He was a scholar and poet. Okay, itane రాశాడంట చూడు. he authored the Sanskrit encyclopedia text. Sanskrit encyclopedia text called Manasollasa. Manasollasa or అభిలాష తీర్థ చింతామణి. సాంస్క్రిట్ ఎన్సైక్లోపీడియా పేరేమి సోమేశ్వర 3 రాసింది. సోమేశ్వర 3 wrote the Sanskrit encyclopedia called as Manasollasa or Abhilasha Tirtha Chintamani, touching upon such topics as polity, governance, astronomy, astrology, medicine, food, architecture, painting, poetry and music. సో అన్నిటి గురించి సాంస్క్రిట్లో దీంట్లో రాశాడు ఆ బుక్లో. మనసోల్లాస అభిలాష తీర్థ చింతామణి బై సోమేశ్వర 3. దెన్ సోమేశ్వర 3 assumes the titles of Sarvagnya because the king who knows everything, and Bhuloka Kamala and Bhuloka Malla Vikrama Chalukya. అబ్బా ఎన్ని పేర్లు ఉన్నాయి చూడ ఆయనకి. సర్వజ్ఞ బికాస్ అన్నీ తెలుసు కాబట్టి సర్వజ్ఞ. దెన్ భూలోక మల్ల, దెన్ భూలోక మల్ల విక్రమార్క చాళుక్య, ద కింగ్ హూ ఈస్ ద లార్డ్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ద లివింగ్ బీయింగ్స్, భూలోక మల్ల విక్రమ చాళుక్య. దెన్ మణిమండలిక చూడామణి, ఆయన పేరు మణిమండలిక చూడామణి కూడా సోమేశ్వర 3's నేమ్ అంట. హీ సక్సీడెడ్ బై జగదేక మల్లా 2. So his rule saw the slow decline. So Jagadeka Malla II's rule saw the slow decline of the Chalukya empire with the loss of Vengi. Eastern Chalukyas కూడా డిక్లైన్ అయ్యారు. సో వీళ్ళు కూడా స్లోగా డిక్లైన్ అవుతూ వస్తున్నారు. దెన్ జగదేక మల్లా 2 he patronized the Kannada grammarian Nagavarma II who wrote Kavyalochana, కర్ణాటక భాషభూషణ అండ్ కర్ణాటక భాషభూషణ, కావ్యలోచన అండ్ కర్ణాటక భాషభూషణ అనే 2 books ఎవరు రాశారు? నాగవర్మ టూ wrote these 2 books. అండ్ అతని పేరేంటి? నాగవర్మ 2. జగదేక మల్ల 2 had patronized Nagavarma 2. Okay, Nagavarma 2 was patronized by Jagadeka Malla 2. So he is a very Kannada grammarian Nagavarma 2. He wrote Kavyalochana and Karnataka Bhasha Bhushana, and Jagadeka Malla 2 wrote Sanskrit Sangeeta Chudamani on music. Sangeeta Chudamani. Okay. Jagadeka Malla, he also knew music kada. So he wrote Sanskrit book on music, that is Sangeeta Chudamani on music. Jagadeka Malla 2 wrote it. Then Tailapa 3, his rules saw the beginning of the end of the Chalukya empire. During his period, Kalyani Chalukyas feudatories announced their independence, and they were the Kakatiyas, Hoysalas and Yadavas of Devagiri. All these feudatories of Kalyani Chalukyas, they announced their independence. Then after him, Kalyani Chalukya dynasty got divided into 2 parts. That is, main branch is ruled by Jagadeka Malla 3. It is ruled by Jagadeka Malla 3. And the Kalachuri branch, అని ఇంకో బ్రాంచ్గా డివైడ్ అయింది. దిస్ కలచూరి బ్రాంచ్ గాట్ రూల్డ్ బై బిజ్జల. ఇట్ గాట్ రూల్డ్ బై బిజ్జల మెయిన్ బ్రాంచ్ అండ్ కలచూరి బ్రాంచ్. దెన్ Tailapa 3 టైంలో ఇదంతా జరిగింది. ద కళ్యాణి చాళుక్యస్ డైనాసిటీ గాట్ డివైడెడ్ ఇంటూ 2 parts at Tailapa 3's reign. Tailapa 1 he founded the dynasty, but 2 branchesగా ఎప్పుడు డివైడ్ అయింది? Tailapa 2 reign-లో 2 branchesగా డివైడ్ అయింది. The main branch was ruled by Jagadeka Malla 3. The Kalachuri branch was ruled by Bijjala. Then Tailapa 3 he was killed by Hoysala Veera Narasimha. The Tailapa 3 was killed by Hoysala Veera Narasimha in 1162. Jagadeka Malla 3. His rule was completely overshadowed by the emergence of the southern Kalachuris. So his rule was overshadowed by emergence of the southern Kalachuris under the Bijjala who took control of Basava Kalyana. Vengi undi kada, Vengi Kalyani. So that Kalyani was the Bijjala 2 took control over Kalyani. Bijjala 2 of Kalachuri, southern Kalachuri Chalukyas. Then Bijjala, he is the nephew of Tailapa 3. Tailapa 3 యొక్క nephew అంటే అక్క కొడుకు అలా తమ్ముడు కొడుకు అలా అనమాట. He is nephew of Tailapa 3. Then his names were again Tribhuvana Malla. Then it was Tribhuvana Malla was attained by 4th and 6th Vikramaditya also. Tribhuvana Malla ane పేర్లు వచ్చి 4th and 6th Vikramaditya also had the names of Tribhuvana Malla along with Bijjala. 4th and 6th Vikramaditya along with Bijjala. Then Nisanka Mallagiri Durga Malla. నిశంక మల్లగిరి దుర్గమల్ల అనే టైటిల్ కూడా ఉంది బిజ్జలకి. సో డ్యూరింగ్ ద టైమ్ ఆఫ్ బిజ్జల ఓన్లీ బసవేశ్వర స్టార్టెడ్. డ్యూరింగ్ హిస్ పీరియడ్ ఓన్లీ బసవేశ్వర స్టార్టెడ్ ది వీరశైవ రిలీజియన్. బసవేశ్వర తెలుసు కదా, హీ స్టార్టెడ్ ద వీరశైవ రిలీజియన్ డ్యూరింగ్ ద టైమ్ ఆఫ్ బిజ్జల. డ్యూరింగ్ ద టైమ్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్ కర్ణాటక, డ్యూరింగ్ ద టైమ్ ఆఫ్ బిజ్జల కింగ్ Kalyani Chalukya king Bijjala, Basaveshwara has started the Veerasaiva religion. So the patrons of Basaveshwara religion should not practice child marriages and they should marry widows. అంటే అది చెప్తున్నారు వాళ్ళు అప్పుడు ఏమనేసి. ద ఫాలోవర్స్ ఆఫ్ వీరశైవ రిలీజియన్ వేర్ కాల్డ్ as లింగాయత్స్. వాళ్ళు చైల్డ్ మ్యారేజెస్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయకూడదు అండ్ దే షుడ్ మ్యారీ ద విడోస్. దెన్ బసవేశ్వర హీ ఆథర్డ్ బిజ్జల రాయ చరిత్ర. బసవేశ్వర హ్యాడ్ ఆథర్డ్ బిజ్జల రాయ చరిత్ర, బసవ పురాణం అండ్ చెన్న బసవ పురాణం. Basaveswara, who started the Veerasaiva cult, Veerasaiva religion, he authored Bijjala Raya Charitra, Basaveswara Puranam and Chenna Basaveswara. Basava Puranam and Chenna Basava Puranam. Basava Puranam, Chenna Basava Puranam and Bijjala Raya Charitra. Then Palkuri Somanatha, he also authored Basava Puranam. Palkuri Somanatha he also authored Basava Puranam. After Bijjala, Someshwara, Sankeya and Ahavamalla ruled. Someshwara, Sankeya and Ahanamalla ruled. Then again Someshwara IV, he was the last king of the Western Chalukya Empire. Someshwara IV was the last king of Chalukyan Empire. After the Jagadeka Malla III, he ascended the throne and of the main branch of the Kalyani Chalukyas. Main branch of Kalyani Chalukyas ni Jagadeka Malla III tarvata Someshwara IV ascend చేశాడు. During his period, a Veerasaivudu name Ekanga Ramaya he lived, who propagated Veerasaivism. Ekanga Ramaya అనే అతను ఉన్నాడు, who propagated Veerasaivism during Someshwara IV. He managed to capture the Basva Kalyanam again for a brief time, but again he failed. He defeated the Singanna of Kalachuri dynasty and Kalachuri Chalukyas. He defeated Singanna of the Kalachuri dynasty, Singanna, and he merged their kingdoms again into the main branch of Kalyani Chalukyas. మళ్ళీ సోమేశ్వర 4 టైంలో అతను ఏం చేశాడంటే సింగన్న ఆఫ్ ద కలచూరి డైనాసిటీని అతన్ని డిఫీట్ చేసేసి ఏంటి ఆ కలచూరి చాళుక్యన్ ఎంపైర్ అండ్ వీళ్ళ మెయిన్ బ్రాంచ్ ఆఫ్ వెస్టర్న్ చాళుక్యన్ ఎంపైర్ని రెండింటిని కలిపేశాడు. సో హీ క్యాప్చర్డ్ బస్వ కళ్యాణం అగైన్ అండ్ దే అగైన్ మళ్ళీ మొత్తం చాళుక్యాస్ని కలిపేశాడు. సో హీ వాస్ కిల్డ్ బై బిలమ, real founder of the Devagiri Yadavas. He was killed by Bilama, who was the real founder of Devagiri Yadavas, and Bilama was one of the feudatory of Kalyani Chalukyas. ఇందాకే చదివాం feudatories అందరూ ఇండిపెండెన్స్ ప్రకటించుకున్నారని. సో దాంతో దేవగిరి యాదవాస్కి చెందిన బిలమా అనే అతను లాస్ట్ కింగ్ సోమేశ్వర IV చంపేశాడు. After the death of Someshwara IV, Kakatiyas, Hoysalas, Yadavas established their independent rule.